Hippo's hiccups. Hiccup, said Hippo. Hippo had the hiccups. His friends came to help. Drink water, said Giraffe, but that did not work. Hiccup, said Hippo. Spin around, said Zebra, but that did not work. Hiccup, said Hippo. Stand on your head, said Monkey, but that did not work. Hiccup, said Hippo. Roar, said the Lion. That did work. Lion scared Hippo, so no more hiccups. Thank you, said Hippo. Now can you help me to stop shaking? Bubbles give me hiccups.